Yo, wow, good day, YouTubers, sound engineers, and graphic makers. I'm here again, and it's mp3hitspeakers.com. You can call me his speakers when you come to the studio right here when we are dealing with the feature loop. Yeah, I think today I just made some tutorials which I want to just give some review of how I made it. I think this is just my first instrumental I'm publishing online, Facebook, this in YouTube here. Yeah, so I know I'm not perfect though, but I just want to show you how I did mine, how I make instrumental for artists or especially myself. Yeah, you can check. My name is just here, D2S, and it's D2S GH. Let's go. Yo, I think basically, what I always start first is my drum pattern. My drum pattern is very important for me. Yeah, so let's play the drum pattern here and see how it goes. Oh, sorry, this is the kick. So yo, very mad. Yes, I just combined this in two rams to just make it a fire, because I know this one with one ram it is not heavy. You can't feel. Just feel the one ram and see how it is. And when you add the two, yes. So I just added the chain, and this is how I made the chain. Yeah. So let's go straight to the kick. How I do the kick? Yes, a four pattern kick. First step, you see. Yeah. So I think I have mixed it a bit. I have added some compression to it, and this is a fat filter compressor Pro Z. You see it, and this is the EQ. I have EQ'd. I have raised the bass part small so that I can have the Afro dance feelings. I can have the dance kick feelings in it. So next is always choosing my core. How I play my core patterns. So the next one is so I think I'm using expander dream piano for the core, the second core. You see, and let me go back to the first core. It's I'm using Fruity Loop Brace, and this is how it sounds. Very nice, very nice. So this one is just the stream, but I'm using expander soft format. This is stream 1. So let me play these two there. See how it goes. So with the drum pattern, but don't forget, no, it's not all the mass that you need to have shaker on your Afrobeat, but like this one I just want to make some Afro dance feelings of it. So me, I love shaker too much, so I just added my shaker down below. Yeah, so and this combining with the shaker, this how it will sound. Wow, it's just a fire. So let me just add the stream 2. You see, the intro is now is just making hot. So what I always do next is adding the sibilance to the beat, just adding the Afrobeat feelings. Yeah, so this one is just this is just Kalamba from Pretty, right? Yeah. So and this is how it goes. Yo, so next is adding another siblings to it. I think I have added another siblings. Yeah, and this one is coming from expander. Just in another malimba. So malimba with kalamba, and this is how it sounds. Yeah, fire. So what I was doing is creating my melody. And this is how the melody sounds. So I play it according to my chord. Just use the chord as a guide and make it look. Because I'm not perfect. I don't know how to play this piano. I don't know how to play piano. So, but with the guide of the piano roll here, you can use it. Just play a nice tone. Yeah, very fire. So let me just play the whole beat, then you see how it goes. Because I just want to make things short for you, because this is just my first tutorial and I know it's fire. So now let me play the beat for you, how it goes. So so this one is just a bass line that I made, a bass line, and I think it's from Gravity bass, 4th lock. I think I have added another piano to the beat. I've added another piano, and this side plays. Yeah, very mad, and then just around this. Check, I have made 2 types of my piano here. I think this, yeah, so this one is different from the one playing here. You get it right? Yeah, so let's play it back and see. That is just it. Because I think here is just a duplicate of this side. I just pick this side and drop it here. Yeah, so I think this is just the end of the tutorial. So please recommend your friends to like my channel. Please recommend your friends to subscribe to my channel and like my other 2 channels, D2S GH and MP3 speakers. MP3 speakers, yeah, .com. Yeah, so straight up.